Carplay Android radio for 2015 Buick Verano. First of all, we will remove the right panel of the dashboard. Then loosen the screws and remove the panel on the steering wheel. Here we take apart the rightmost panel and loosen the screws inside. Use tools to open the long decorative panel here. We continue to loosen these two screws and remove the screen and unplug all the wires. Then, we use tools to remove the storage box and then dock the equipped wire according to the plug to the original car wire. Then, we will position the other equipped wires. After finishing it, we will connect the wire to the back of the new screen and install it. Everything is ready. We restore all the accessories, and the installation is complete.